Hi everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to my August 2020 Boxycharm unboxing. So it's only halfway through the month and I have already received all of my beauty subscription boxes for the month. I got all 3 of my Ipsy Glam bags and I got my Boxycharm Premium already, which I was very excited with my Boxycharm Premium. So if you want to see all of those unboxings and unbaggings, check them out on my channel because I always upload every single month my unboxing videos, and then of course I also do the full dedicated review videos of all of the makeup products I get as part of my Trying a New Makeup Product Everyday series. And then I also do full face makeup tutorials using all of my Boxycharm products and Ipsy products. So make sure you're subscribed to my channel and turn on the notifications so that you don't miss out on any of those videos. But so now let's get into my Boxycharm box. So this is $25 a month and it's customized based off of a beauty quiz that you fill out, and you do get the option to choose one product for each of your Boxycharm boxes, but I am so bad at remembering to make my choices. I'm pretty good when it comes to Ipsy because I just go onto the app and make the choice there, but for Boxycharm, they send you an email, you have to go onto the website. I already know that I missed both of my choices for the September boxes, and I have no idea what I chose for August, so let's just go ahead and see what I got. Okay, good. I actually got my product card this month. In my premium box, I did not get my product card. I think it was missing because I didn't get it emailed to me either. But okay, first off, I see this Trestique mini matte lip crayon set, and I'm pretty sure I already have this set, or at least a very similar set. I think the set that I have only has 4 colors, this one has 6 colors, but I must have gotten it in Ipsy. Oh, but I actually unfortunately remember thinking that they're very sheer and I wasn't crazy about them. But this is Trestique, a matte for every mood mini matte lip crayon set, retail value of $58. I just looked up my old video and what I tried out was the Trestique mini lip glaze set, which glaze is different than mini matte lip crayon set. So these might be a lot more pigmented. So why don't I do a little swatch? I'll go for the hot pink one, of course, because I love the shade pink. This one is called Barcelona Bright Berry. So it's a twist up crayon. Let's do a swatch. Oh yeah, that has good pigment and it does have the matte finish. Okay, so this is different than what I've tried before. Okay, I'm excited, and that's a really pretty pink shade. Here's what that swatch looks like. Okay, I'm excited about this formula. I will definitely be swatching all of them and trying these out in a dedicated video. All right, and then, ooh, why don't I pull out this pretty packaging? Oh, you know what? Oh gosh. Okay, it was open, but I don't think anything spilled out. This is from QMS Medi Cosmetics, the Active Glow Tinted Day Cream. I remember now, this is the product that I chose. Lightweight sheer color adaptive cream with vitamins, blurs imperfections to reveal visibly glowing even skin. It's for all types and skin tones. Interesting. Whoa, retail value of $105. I am very intrigued to try this out. I have tried out that QMS lip line corrector. It was like a lip serum that I was really excited about because I thought it was going to plump my lips, but it did not work for me. It actually really dried out my lips. It dried out the corners of my lips really badly. So I haven't been using that, but I'm gonna give QMS another try with this product here. But wow, this is going to be a very high value box. Probably almost higher value than my premium box, which the premium box I think had a retail value of about $175. Right, next up we have, ooh, this is a Cargo Cosmetics and Boxycharm Nude Beach Eyeshadow Palette. So like a Boxycharm exclusive palette. Let's check out what this looks like. how cute. Looks like a perfect little nude palette with a mix of mattes and some shimmers. 9 shades. I love a nude eyeshadow look for daily wear, so I'm excited to try this out. Cargo Cosmetics. I recognize the brand, but I don't think I'm very familiar with them. Wow, $39.99 value for this nude beach eyeshadow palette. And then my next product, oh my gosh, I just like paused because I was like, is this another eyeliner? Because this is from Real Her. It's the I Am Strong Definer Brow Pencil. I got a product that looks just like this in Ipsy this month from Real Her, which is an eyeliner. So I was like, no. But okay, brow pencils, I love. Let's see. It doesn't have a shade name on it, but I love brow products. It's one of my favorite types of makeup. So great, we got a spoolie on one end, and this is a very skinny pencil. I think this shade looks brown. Let's see. It actually seems like it could be one of those universal brown shades, because when I go lightly, it looks lighter, and then when you press down harder, it gets darker. I think this should work pretty well for me because, as you can see, I have a lot of colors going on in my hair, and they say to match your brows to the darkest color in your hair. And it also made a very skinny line, which is great for brows to be really precise and make hair-like lines. And this Real Her Definer Brow Pencil retails for $16. And lastly, I have, this is from the brand Clarins Paris, number 3 Velvet Lip Perfector. I don't think I've tried out a Clarins makeup product before. Have it in the shade Velvet Red. Ooh, I got so many lip products in this box if I count all of those other 6 lip pencils, but I love lip products. Wow, I am so excited. I got all makeup products. Okay, this might be one of the best boxes I've ever gotten. Blur Effects and Smooth Lips, Ultralight Creamy Texture. Ooh. So it's a matte liquid lipstick, weightless mousse texture that delivers highly pigmented velvety finish with soft blur effects. Ooh, retail value of $26. Pretty packaging on this too. Ooh, and it has a little, like a soft velvety sponge that you squeeze it through. Let me do a little swatch of this as well. Oh, that is beautiful. And I love this type of application. That's so unique. It's not like the only lip product that's done that, but I don't have many lip products that have that type of applicator. But I love a red lip, and this looks like a beautiful red shade that's like more of the blue toned red, which is so flattering. And my first impression on the texture is that I really like that moussey formula. So wow, I got such good products. I don't even know which one I'm most excited about. I'm so happy with every single one. I got all makeup, which is what I want, and I got such great brands. So I got all brands that I've heard of before, but some brands that I've never tried, some brands that I like and want to try more from. So this is such an awesome box. It seriously might be my best box ever, which is great for August because August is my birthday month, so it's my favorite month. So this is gonna be a really high value box. So let's figure out the total retail value. Oh my gosh, my total retail value is $244.99. That's insane. I spent $25 on this box and I got $245 value. That's a lot more value than my $35 Boxycharm premium box, which, like I said, was at $175 value, and I thought that box was awesome. Oh my gosh, I feel so lucky with my August Boxycharm box. Wow, okay, let me do the quick recap to show you everything I got. So I got the QMS Active Glow Tinted Day Cream, the Clarins Velvet Lip Perfector, the Real Her I Am Strong Definer Brow Pencil, the Cargo Cosmetics and Boxycharm Nude Beach Eyeshadow Palette, and the Trestique A Matte for Every Mood Mini Matte Lip Crayon Set. Wow. Okay, definitely let me know in the comments down below what you got in your Boxycharm box, and I hope that you are very happy with your box this month, because I really am. This is definitely my best box out of all 5 beauty subscription boxes I got this month, and I would say by far Boxycharm impressed me so much more than Ipsy, and that does seem to be the trend these days. Boxycharm just has such high value in their boxes. They have the best brands. But let me know also in the comments down below which you prefer, Boxycharm or Ipsy. I'm so curious to see which brand is gonna win in the comments down below. But thank you so much for watching my video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you can see the makeup that I try every day. And I will see you tomorrow in my next video.